Bearing angle and length calculation. In this video tutorial, you will learn the bearing angle and length calculation. From the Calculations menu on the left menu, click on the Bearing Angle and Length Calculation option. On the Points page of the panel that opens, 2 points are selected with one of the current location on the map, location by searching or typing options. Then, when you select the unit of measure and click the Calculate button, the result appears on the screen. When we click on the Save button, the process result is saved after entering the save name on the screen that appears. When the List page is clicked, the saved results are listed. Saves can be deleted by clicking the Delete button to the right of the results. When we click on the save name, the point is shown on the map. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.